Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A few twinkling stars, maybe the moon, a vast expanse of darkness. But what if I told you that what you're seeing is just a tiny, insignificant fraction of what's really out there? Our journey begins here, with our beautiful blue planet, Earth, suspended in the velvet blackness of space. But as we pull back, you'll realize our home is just a small stage in a cosmic theater of unimaginable scale. Let's start with our local neighborhood, the solar system. Here we have our sun, a star like countless others, holding 8 planets in its gravitational embrace. We see the rocky terrain of Mars, the magnificent rings of Saturn, the swirling storms of Jupiter. These worlds, as different as they are our closest companions. But even this vast system is just a single grain of sand on an infinite beach. Now, let's zoom out further. Our solar system is tucked away in a spiral arm of a colossal structure, the Milky Way galaxy. This is our home galaxy, a swirling city of stars containing over 100 billion suns. Each one of those suns could potentially have its own family of planets. Imagine that. Billions of worlds, right here in our own galactic backyard. Our sun, which seems so powerful to us, is just one of many, many stars lost in this cosmic metropolis. And it doesn't stop there. The Milky Way itself is just one galaxy among billions, perhaps even trillions. As we continue to pull back, we see galaxies clustered together like jewels scattered on black velvet. They form immense structures, filaments, and walls, creating what astronomers call the cosmic web. This is the largest known structure in the universe. We've gone from our planet to our solar system, to our galaxy, to a universe filled with galaxies. The sheer scale is almost too much for the human mind to comprehend. Let's dive back in and take a closer look at the building blocks of this incredible cosmos. First, the stars. These are the engines of the universe. They are born in spectacular clouds of gas and dust called nebulae, cosmic nurseries where gravity pulls matter together until it ignites in a brilliant flash of nuclear fusion. We see stars of all kinds, massive blue giants burning fiercely and living short lives, and small red dwarfs that will simmer for trillions of years. And when massive stars reach the end of their lives, they don't go quietly. They explode in a supernova, an event so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy, scattering the elements needed for life across the cosmos. The very atoms in your body were forged in the heart of a star that died long ago. Then, there are the planets. In our own solar system, we have a stunning variety. There's Mercury scorched by the sun, Venus a toxic greenhouse, Earth a paradise of life, Mars the red desert, Jupiter a gas giant with a storm larger than our entire planet, Saturn with its iconic rings made of ice and rock, Uranus tilted on its side, and Neptune the distant windy ice giant. Each one is a unique world with its own story, its own geology, and its own mysteries waiting to be unlocked. And remember, these are just the ones we know best. Astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets orbiting other stars, suggesting that planets are a common feature of the universe. And of course, there are the galaxies themselves. They come in all shapes and sizes. Spiral galaxies like our own Milky Way and Andromeda, with elegant arms winding out from a central bulge. Elliptical galaxies, which are massive, old, and egg-shaped, filled with ancient stars. And irregular galaxies, chaotic collections of stars with no defined shape, often formed by cosmic collisions. Seeing these different forms helps us understand the life cycle of galaxies, how they form, grow, and interact with each other over billions of years. But the universe is not just what we can see. In fact, most of it is invisible, shrouded in profound mystery. One of the biggest puzzles is dark matter. When astronomers look at how galaxies spin, they find that they're rotating too fast. The gravity from the stars, gas, and dust we can see isn't enough to hold them together. There must be something else there, something massive and invisible, providing the extra gravitational glue. We call it dark matter. It doesn't emit or reflect any light, so we can't see it directly. We only know it's there because of its gravitational effect on everything around it. It's like feeling the wind without being able to see the air. It's a humbling reminder that what we observe is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. And then there are the most extreme objects in the universe, black holes. These are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed from the collapsed remnants of massive stars. Visualizing a black hole is a challenge, but we can see its effects. We see it warping space-time around it like a heavy ball on a rubber sheet. We see stars orbiting a point of pure blackness at the center of our galaxy. We see matter getting superheated into a glowing disk as it spirals toward the point of no return, the event horizon. Black holes challenge our understanding of physics and reality itself. They are cosmic enigmas, reminding us how much we still have to learn. Despite these vast distances and mind-bending mysteries, humanity has never been content to just look up and wonder. We are explorers. Our curiosity drives us to reach for the stars. This journey began in earnest with the launch of Sputnik in 1957, a tiny satellite beeping its way around the Earth, announcing a new era of exploration. That single event sparked a race to the moon and pushed the boundaries of technology and human ambition. Since then, our presence in space has become more permanent. Look at the International Space Station, a beacon of human collaboration orbiting our planet. For over 2 decades, it has been a home and a laboratory in space, where astronauts from different nations live and work together, conducting research that benefits us all here on Earth. From robotic rovers exploring the surface of Mars to powerful telescopes peering back to the dawn of time, our quest for knowledge continues. Each mission, each discovery, is a testament to the insatiable human spirit of inquiry. We are a species that looks at the unknown and sees not a void, but an invitation. So, as we pull back one last time to a view of a distant, shimmering galaxy, let's take a moment to reflect. We live on a small, fragile world in a universe of staggering size and complexity. It is filled with wonders we are only just beginning to understand and mysteries that may take generations to solve. But far from making us feel small, this cosmic perspective should fill us with a sense of awe and wonder. We are part of this grand cosmic story, a brief but brilliant flash of consciousness able to contemplate the very universe that created us. The journey is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through space and time. If you're as fascinated by the cosmos as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the universe. See you next time.